Hi, this is Justin at RGBlink. We're here at ISE 23. Now, we're pretty well known for our Mini Pro, which has really been so popular for streamers and vloggers and even those small meeting rooms. But here at ISE 23, we are previewing the very next thing for Mini, which is Mini MX. Still 4x 4K inputs, obviously a larger form factor, bigger touchscreen, and importantly a lot more focus on audio, which is what we've really heard from so many of our customers around the world. On the back here we've got those 4 4K inputs. We've also added a second HDMI out, so you can do those previews. You've got the webcam, so it's still a webcam to your computer, but via USB this time, USB-C, and you can record as well as play back video from USB-C, and you can stream directly now from a Mini. Set up your platform and away you go. And I just want to show you here all the audio connections. Now you've got 2 balanced microphone, a balanced line in, and for the microphone you've got phantom power as well. This is really going to be such an improvement and much sought after by so many people in the industry. Looking forward to launching Mini MX later in the year. Come along and see us here at ISE, or stop by the website of course, all W's, rgblink.com.